We all know that there are particles in the air, but since they're too small to see, how do we know if they weigh anything? Well, I'm going to ask some people their thoughts about the relationship between air and weight using an inflated and a deflated balloon. Julie, I have one inflated balloon and one uninflated balloon. So, other than size, what differences can you tell me about those?
Well, one has air in it and one doesn't, and this one's kind of firm and this one's just flat and squishy.
Okay, so the one that has air in it, how does that change the weight of the two balloons?
It doesn't, they weigh the same.
So Libby, here's a balloon, and here is an inflated balloon. So other than size, what differences can you tell me about the two?
Well, this one has air in it, and this one doesn't. And this one takes up more space than this deflated balloon. And I can float that one away, and this one I can't do anything really with.
Okay, so the one that has air in it, how does it change the weight of the two balloons?
Well, it doesn't. They both weigh the same.
So, if one of them has air in it and one of them doesn't, how does it change the weight?
I'd say this is a lot lighter.
Okay, so now Julie, I have two inflated balloons that are keeping the yardstick balanced. If I were going to prick one of the balloons, what do you think would happen?
It would lose air.
Okay, so how would that change the yardstick?
Well, it would stay the same because air doesn't weigh anything.
Okay, so now Libby, we have two balloons that are inflated and they're keeping the yardstick balanced. If I were to prick one of the balloons, what do you think would happen?
The yardstick would go down.
Okay, but based on what you said originally, that they weighed the same with or without air, what do you think would happen based on that?
Well, then the yardstick would stay the same.
So if I were going to prick one of these balloons, what do you think would happen?
It would go down.
So what's happening to it?
It's losing air.
So what's happening to the yardstick?
It's going, but this one's mostly going up.
Why do you think that is?
Well, from when we did this experiment, I kind of thought this would be going up, like that, but it's the other way around. I'm saying this side weighs more.
Okay, so what do you think now?
I don't know. Maybe air does have weight. I'm confused.
Okay, so what do you think now?
I knew it! Air does have weight!
So why do you think what made you change your mind?
So, before when I was holding the balloons, the deflated and the inflated one, they felt the same. And then when I saw the yardstick and the balloons made them equal, they were the same weight because the yardstick was balanced. And then when you pricked the balloon and I saw the air leaving the balloon, the inflated balloon started to go down, so it made me think that there must be air, there must be weight in the balloon that has the air.
Seen something that's balanced in it before?
I've seen a teeter-totter balanced.
Okay, so how does a teeter-totter work?
Well, this is a teeter-totter, and it's a balance.
Why does it tip to one side or the other when you do that?
Because there's more of it on that side than is this side,
More.
so it just brings it down.
More of what?
More. How should I say this?
Whatever you think of.
More, more strength.
Okay.
Like more weight
Weight.
than this on this side.
Okay.
But if you
Okay, so
move it
now
toward the center, it gets balanced because there's two exact weights at the same time.
okay, so now these two balloons aren't balanced anymore because we see one going down. So what about the yardstick makes you think of the teeter-totter? Like, what must be on this?
Like, on this side, it must be like this. Wait, no, like this.
Okay.
It must be like this.
And so what's on this side?
Strength.
Or what was the other word you used instead of strength?
Well, the other word I used was weight. Was weight.
Okay. So where's the weight coming from then?
The air.
How do you know?
I know it because after this loses air, this is weightless, but air can build up more. And there's less air in one thing and more air in another. The one with more air gets heavier.
When the balloons held the same amount of air, the yardstick was level. Now, if air did not affect the weight of the balanced balloons, then the yardstick would have remained level even after one of them was pricked. But after the air was released, the full balloon suddenly became the heavier balloon. The weight of the air particles inside the blown-up balloon accounted for the extra weight, which caused the imbalance. So air has weight. The air particles may be so tiny we can't even see them, but we can tell that they're there.